In this lesson, you will learn the following. This lesson is based on the following business scenario. There are hundreds of standard SAP reports available in the system. Each report includes a selection screen where you can enter report parameters. For example, a reporting date or specific vendor or customer accounts, etc. Let's begin by going to Information Systems. The main reporting tree is organized by functional area. Here you can find all reports for a specific functional area under its corresponding section. Now go to Purchasing. Go to Purchasing Documents. Now go to Purchase Orders. Here you see a list of all reports related to purchase orders. Start the highlighted transaction.
This is the report selection screen. You can fill in any of the fields to limit the report to only certain items. For now, we will simply run it without any limitations.
Good job! You have executed your first report. Notice the various columns and information that is included in this report. Back out once more. Now collapse logistics. Excellent. Now let's begin an accounting report. Go to Financial Accounting. Go to General Ledger. Start transaction F01, Balance Sheet. This is the selection screen for this report. Let's create a balance sheet for company code 3000. Enter 3000 for the company code and press the Enter key. If you would like to create a report for multiple companies, you may do so here by entering a range for the company code. On this tab, you could enter individual company code numbers. Now click on the Select Ranges tab. On this tab, you could enter multiple ranges to include on this report. Now click on the Exclude Single Values tab. On this tab, you could enter individual company codes you want to exclude from this report. Now click on the Exclude Ranges tab. And finally, on this tab, you could enter multiple ranges to exclude on this report. As you can see, this pop-up window provides you with a very flexible way to include or exclude certain values or ranges. Good job! The company code field is now filled with Company 3000. Now click on the Execute icon. Congratulations! You have just created a balance sheet report for company code 3000. Notice the additional blue rollover highlights. Move your mouse over the icons to learn more about them. Notice the additional blue rollover highlights. Move your mouse over the icons to learn more about them. Notice the additional blue rollover highlights. Move your mouse over the icons to learn more about them. Now let's back out of this report. Back out once more. Now collapse information systems. Well done! You have just learned how to access the reporting tree, start a report, use multiple selection criteria, and recognize reporting options.